The National Threat Agency has issued an alert due to the activity recently. There has been reports of a tall bony humanoid creature with what has been described as having a siren pole where a head should be. Board up all exits, do not go outside, and don't listen to anyone you hear outside, no matter what. We can only hope that we will stay safe. You can now safely turn off your TV.
Roger, A1, do you have any sight of what we're looking for? No, I don't. I haven't seen anything yet, although I have been hearing some weird noises. Okay, yeah, Roger. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I have no